Hello, everyone. Welcome to Think in English, the podcast. This is episode 63, and today our topic is super useful and fun, talking about the weather forecast. My name is Lily, and I'm so happy you're here with us.
Hi, Lily. Hi, everyone listening. I'm Ben. Wow, look out the window right now. It's raining so much. It's raining cats and dogs, as we say in English. That means very heavy rain. Lily, do you like this kind of weather?
Honestly, Ben, not really. I prefer sunny days, but rain is okay sometimes. It makes everything clean and fresh. What about you? Do you check the weather forecast every morning?
Yes, I do, almost every day. I open my phone app and look. It's very helpful. For example, if the forecast says sunny, I wear a t-shirt. If it says rainy, I take my umbrella. Listeners, do you check the forecast too? It's a great habit when you learn English.
Exactly. And talking about the weather is one of the easiest ways to start a conversation in English. You can say to anyone, "Nice weather today, isn't it?" Or, "Wow, it's so cold." People always answer. It's friendly and simple. So today we're going to learn lots of words and phrases about weather and forecasts. Ready, everyone? Let's start slowly.
Great idea. First, the most basic weather words. Let's learn them one by one and repeat together. Sunny. Sunny means the sun is shining. The sky is blue and bright. Example, today is sunny. Listeners, repeat after me. Today is sunny. Good.
Next word, cloudy. Cloudy means there are many clouds. The sky is gray or white, no sun. The sky is cloudy today. Repeat. The sky is cloudy. Excellent.
Now, rainy. Rainy equals it is raining. Water falls from the sky. It's rainy outside, or it's a rainy day. Say it. It's rainy outside. Perfect.
Windy. Windy equals there is a lot of wind. The air moves fast. Trees move. Your hair flies. It's very windy today. Repeat slowly. It's very windy today. Nice job.
Hot. Hot equals high temperature. You feel warm or very warm. It's hot in summer, or it will be hot tomorrow. It's hot in summer. Say it with me.
Cold. Cold equals low temperature. You need a jacket or coat. It's cold in winter. It's cold in winter. Great.
Snowy. Snowy equals snow is falling, or there's snow on the ground. White and beautiful, but cold. It's snowy today. Repeat. It's snowy today. Wonderful.
Stormy. Stormy equals bad weather with strong wind, rain, thunder, and lightning. The forecast says stormy weather. It's stormy tonight. Good.
Okay, pause for a second. Let's repeat all 8 words together slowly. Ready? Sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, hot, cold, snowy, stormy. Again, sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, hot, cold, snowy, stormy. You are doing amazing, listeners.
Now let's talk about the forecast. A weather forecast tells us what the weather will be like tomorrow or next week. We often use will be or going to be. Example, tomorrow will be sunny. It is going to rain this afternoon. Both are correct and very common.
Yes, let's practice will be. It will be sunny. It will be cloudy. It will be rainy. It will be windy. It will be hot. It will be cold. Say each one after me. Pause and repeat. Good.
Now, going to. It's a little more casual. It's going to be sunny. It's going to rain. It's going to snow. It's going to be stormy. Repeat. It's going to be sunny. Nice.
We also talk about temperature. In most English-speaking countries for international learners, we use Celsius. It's 25 degrees today. The high will be 28 degrees. The high means the warmest temperature. The low will be 16 degrees, coolest temperature. Try this. The high will be 25 degrees. Good.
Forecast apps and TV show pictures, icons. A sun, sunny. A cloud, cloudy. A cloud with rain, rainy. Wind lines, windy. Snowflake, snowy. Lightning, stormy. Look at your phone weather app later and name the icons in English. It's fun practice.
Now let's do a longer role play. Imagine we are friends planning the day.
Hi, Ben. Good morning. What's the weather like today?
Hi, Lily. It's cloudy right now, but the forecast says it will be sunny after lunch. The high will be 23 degrees.
Oh, nice. So I don't need a jacket?
No, just a light sweater maybe. What about tomorrow?
Tomorrow looks rainy. The forecast says showers in the afternoon. Showers means light rain.
Okay, so umbrella for tomorrow. Thanks.
See, listeners, short and easy conversation. You can do this with classmates, colleagues, or even in a shop.
Now, let's talk about seasons because weather changes with seasons. Spring is often rainy and windy. Flowers grow. In spring, the forecast is usually showers. Summer is hot and sunny. Summer forecast, hot and sunny, 30 degrees. Autumn or fall, windy, cooler, leaves fall. Fall weather is cool and windy. Winter, cold, sometimes snowy. Winter forecast, cold with snow.
Repeat the seasons. Spring, summer, autumn, fall, winter. Now sentences. In spring, it often rains. In summer, it's hot and sunny. In autumn, it's windy. In winter, it's cold and snowy. Say them slowly. Great.
Now, more useful words for daily life. Humid, air feels wet and sticky, very common in hot places. It's hot and humid today. Dry, no water in the air. The weather is dry and sunny. Foggy, fog everywhere, hard to see. Foggy this morning, drive carefully. Clear, no clouds at all. Beautiful blue sky. The sky is clear tonight.
Now, clothes. Weather helps us choose clothes. If sunny and hot, t-shirt, shorts, sunglasses, hat. If rainy, raincoat, umbrella, boots. If cold, sweater, jacket, scarf, gloves. If windy, windbreaker or hoodie. If snowy, warm coat, boots, hat, mittens.
Let's practice.
What's the forecast?
It's going to be cold and windy.
Okay, so I'll wear a jacket and scarf.
Good choice.
Another one.
The forecast says hot and sunny.
Great! T-shirt, shorts, and sunglasses for me.
Listeners, think about today's forecast where you live. What clothes will you wear? Say it in English in your head or out loud.
Now let's talk about feelings. Weather changes our mood. I love sunny days. I feel happy. Rainy days make me feel calm. I like reading. Cold weather makes me want hot tea. Windy days are fun for flying kites. Stormy weather scares me a little. What about you, Lily? Sunny days make me smile. I want to walk outside.
For me, I like clear nights, good for looking at stars. What weather makes you happy, listeners? Think about it.
More role plays, this time at school or work.
Hey Lily, did you see the forecast for Friday?
Yes, it will be sunny and warm, 24 degrees.
Perfect. Let's have lunch outside.
Yes, I'll bring sandwiches.
Another situation, planning a trip.
Ben, I'm going to the beach next weekend. What's the forecast?
Let me check. Saturday, sunny, 27 degrees. Sunday, partly cloudy, maybe light wind.
Wonderful. I'll pack my swimsuit and sunscreen.
Don't forget water, it's going to be hot.
One more. Bad weather day.
Oh no, the forecast says heavy rain all day.
Yes, raining cats and dogs.
I think I'll stay home, watch movies, drink tea.
Good idea. Rainy days are cozy at home.
A few fun expressions, just to know, not too hard. Raining cats and dogs means very heavy rain. Beautiful weather, nice, pleasant. Freezing cold is very, very cold. Boiling hot is extremely hot.
But don't worry, we use simple words most of the time.
Let's do a quick quiz to review. Answer in your head or say out loud. What word means the sun is shining? Sunny. What means water falls from the sky? Rainy. Opposite of hot? Cold. When there are many clouds? Cloudy. Future? Tomorrow? Be windy. Temperature example? It's 20 degrees. Light rain? Showers. Very heavy rain, idiom? Raining cots and dogs.
You got them all, right? You're learning so fast.
One last long dialogue. Imagine you're talking to a new friend.
Hi, nice to meet you. Where are you from?
Hi, I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from England. What's the weather like in Canada now?
Very cold. It's winter. The forecast says -10 degrees and snowy.
Wow. Here it's autumn, cool and windy, about 12 degrees.
Do you like snow?
I love it for one day. Then I prefer warm weather.
Haha, same. I miss summer, sunny and 25 degrees.
Yes, I hope spring comes soon.
See? Weather is perfect for small talk.
Okay, everyone, we learned so much today. Weather words are sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, hot, cold, snowy, stormy, humid, dry, foggy, clear.
Future phrases, it will be, it's going to be, the forecast says. Temperatures, high, low, degrees. Questions, what's the weather like? What's the forecast for tomorrow? Is it going to rain?
Seasons, spring, summer, autumn/fall, winter.
Clothes, t-shirt, jacket, umbrella, scarf, boots. Feelings, happy, calm, cozy, scared.
Practice every day. Look at your weather app and say 3 sentences in English. Talk to friends. What's the forecast? Repeat words in the mirror. Listen to simple English weather videos. You will improve fast.
You are doing wonderfully. Keep smiling, keep speaking, keep thinking in English. Thank you so much for listening to episode 63.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye everyone. Stay warm or cool depending on your forecast.